And the raw power of destiny draws for your lead. Blasher moving up to take second from the outside. Got to know racing in third by Darrell, then followed by Poker Chip. When it rains, it pours is racing in fifth, then followed by the rail by Blue Phoenix. Running on the outside, 3A Mutual Funds, then by the rail second last, Princess Wenda, and trailing the group is Arrowhead. Heading towards the last 600, Blusher running on the outside. Power of Destiny is by the rail second. Then racing in third. Got to know Poker Chip as they race towards the last 450. Blusher still leading the field by about a length and a half. Power of Destiny trying to fight back in second by the rail. Got to know remains in third. Poker Chip is on the outside. Fourth, Princess Wenda now catching the fifth spot as they turn for home. Power of Destiny, Blusher is on the outside. Got to know getting closer in third. Power of Destiny, Blusher is on the outside. Got to know. Power of Destiny by about a length and a half. And finally, Kelvin Abobo on Power of Destiny. Blusher got to know Poker Chip. Princess Wenda for your Pentafecta.
Okay, 57462 ang ating